back in this thing. We back in this thing. As always, we meaning me, my thoughts. Welcome back. If you are new, welcome. Hello. I hope you are doing well. Like I always say in the beginning, make sure you are subscribed so you can be caught up on all things self-awareness. If you haven't seen my last video, my struggle with body dysmorphia, you might want to go ahead and click, I don't know, it's probably gonna be over here. Click the the card and go ahead and watch that first, and then come back and join us. But if you have, let's get into the video.
Religious, but I know Jesus and not on the Pope. If you wanna hang, I'll show you the road.
So as you can tell by the title, I am going to tell you how to stay consistent, or at least how I stay consistent. Because y'all, the pictures from 2018 to 2020, so that's a lot of consistency. Just because I've been able to maintain, not, I'm not saying I've maintained my smallest, but I've maintained not going back to that size. Alrighty, so I have everything written down. So if I'm looking down, that's because I am looking up, okay? I mean, I'm looking what I wrote down. So the first thing is first. If you're looking for something quick and easy, no, stop. It's not gonna happen. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Nothing, no. There's no quick and easy weight loss. No, 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 no. There's no quick and easy weight loss journey. Because if you do a quick and easy weight loss journey, your journey will never end. You always want your journeys to end so that your lifestyle can begin. Just a key tip, okay? So, that's the first thing. But okay, this is for if you, hopefully you've already started your journey and you need the motivation, because that's, if not, then this is not the video for you. If you're starting your journey, I'll do a separate video. But if you're someone that has started and you are struggling to stay motivated, this video is for you. Okay, so the first things first, you want to remember your why. You're doing this for a reason, whether it's just to live a healthier life, whether it's just because you want to be a baddie for yourself or for your mans or your spouse, wife, whatever. Is it because you just want to get to a, I don't know. That's really the only reasons people lose weight, right? If not, you know your why, okay? 2, if you're doing something and it's not working for you, research different methods. That's what I had to learn, because, a lot of times when you see people that have shared their weight loss journey and they have transitioned into a lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle, and I think that's what trips a lot of people up, is a weight loss journey doesn't last forever. It's your weight loss journey is you losing your weight, but the lifestyle is maintaining your weight, is maintaining your consistency, or at least that's how I view it. Some people may just view it as a weight loss journey, but they won't be losing weight. Okay, not my business, just everybody's own perspective. So you have to research what's working for you, because I was, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna be super strict. Being super strict lasted like 2 months, and then I was right back starting over. I learned, for me, 3 things work. Intermittent fasting. I ate between hours of either 12 and 8 or 1 and 9. And it wouldn't be like I would switch every day. It would be like some months it would be 12 to 8, and then I would do some months 1 to 9, or weeks at a time. It just depends on how I felt. I did that for about 7 months. Intermittent fasting. I did meal prepping. So I meal prepped for Sunday through Thursday, and I would eat out Friday and Saturday. And when I ate out, I wouldn't overdo it. Like, so say if I got Chinese food, I would have Chinese food Saturday and Sunday, because I couldn't eat all of it in one sitting. I mean, Friday and Saturday, because I couldn't eat all of it in one sitting. And then I did the challenges like I mentioned in the previous video, or my weight loss journey video. I would do no sugar for 14 days, or I do a 30-day fast food challenge. just to teach myself that I know how to eat smart. Because if you're on a challenge, for me, I don't want to cheat on the challenge. So it's like I want to challenge myself. So if I know that I can, make it 30 days, then I should be able to make it, whenever I need be. And I can be strict when I want to, but not strict all the time, because being strict all the time, it's not working. And honestly, that may be what you're doing, is you're trying to be super strict and you feel yourself falling back. Stop being strict. Stop being hard on yourself. This is not going to be an easy journey. But even though it's not easy, I'm not saying, just be laid back and eat whatever. No. Portion control and moderation. Like, if you plan on eating bad or going out with your friends, think ahead. Meal prep. So, cook one day ahead. So say you're going out Saturday and you normally have your cheat day on Friday, then the week ahead, plan for that so that you aren't, getting yourself off track. The third thing I would say is be realistic with yourself. Like, it did not take you a day to gain 25 pounds, and it's not going to take, you're not going to lose it in a day. Like, you have to be realistic. Like, you really cannot compare your journey to someone else's, because doing that makes no sense. Because if it was your journey, you would be there with them, type of thing. You would have already had your experience. Your journey is your journey. Your race is your race. Like, you may actually, you know what? Your lane is your race, because you may be in the race with we all may be in a race for something, but your lane is your own race. Okay? Just think on that. I'm a complex thinker, though. The final thing is to hold yourself accountable. Like, if you know you messed up, just hold yourself accountable to not do it again, or at least set a day. Like, say I have to at least challenge myself to make it 5 days without slipping up. Like, just small little challenges like that. And I'm not saying, like, you aren't going to slip up, because you are. But that doesn't mean to go super hard the next day, because then you're going to be like, you're going to overdo it, and that's just going to set you back. Just get back on track. Do what you normally do. Don't overdo it, because overdoing it, you're just going to be like, oh, well, I worked really hard in the gym, and then you're going to slack right back off. So, if you slip up, you slip up. It's life. It's the journey. Like, it's not easy. It's not perfect. But just hold yourself accountable and know, like, you're doing this, so you have to fight for it. Like, you're doing this. You want this, so you have to fight for it. Okay, and the final thing, which I know is not a good thing, but for me, it's come in handy. My body dysmorphia allowed me to stay consistent. The obsession with wanting to lose weight the obsession to want to get rid of my back fat and my 6-month pregnant stomach that I currently have, is really motivating me. And I don't know if it's motivating me in the best way, but for now, it's working. That's the main things to stay consistent. Before any of the tips, remember, it's just get rid of the thought that it's quick and easy, because that's a dub. Alright, so the tips. The 4 things. Just a reminder. Remember your why. Cuz sis, bro, cuz, auntie, uncle, you got this. You know what you're doing this for. You got this, okay? 2, research something that works for you. Look at different methods. Look up intermittent fasting. Look up keto. Look up fasting. Find something that'll work for you. If you want to write cheat days, make a schedule where you can cheat. Challenge yourself to cheating 2 days a week. Whether you increase a good habit or decrease a bad habit, whatever you do, research a method that works for you. Be realistic. Just remember, your journey is yours, for you, not for anyone else. And the final one, hold yourself accountable. Even if you make a slip up, get back on track. I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. Leave any comments. If you have any questions, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Royally Unapologetic. And we are out this thing, and see you next time.